Hello! We know where you are, we know where you live, and we know about every step you take. Who are you? What do you want? You owe us $1 million. In 3 days, I'll be waiting for you at the park near bench number 4. Do you understand me? 3 days? Where can I get $1 million for you in 3 days? I don't care. See you. Oh. Urgent, I need eggs!
No, I don't have any eggs.
Don't lie! I know you have some! Here they are!
No, I won't give them. They are my children.
But these are just eggs!
I won't give them. My children.
Maybe it's not worth it. I just want to bring them the money and that's it. We know where you are, we know where you live, and we know about every step you take. Anyway, not bad.
What are you doing?
Having lunch.
Where's the food?
Already ate it.
Why is the plate clean?
I licked my plate.
Why is Opila crying?
How should I know? I haven't seen her today.
Yes, I know you saw her today. I will have to leave for a couple of days, so behave normally and don't offend Opila.
Okay. Hello.
2 days.
I have been thinking, and now you owe me $1 million.
Did you drink the elixir of immortality? Because I can't understand where you got so much courage.
I will destroy you, no matter who you are.
2 days.
Now you will constantly bring me eggs. Do you understand?
Got it.
I need more eggs.
Jumbo, stop it. You're turning into a monster.
I'm getting stronger.
You're insane.
You are not going anywhere. You're obliged to bring me eggs.
God, it's so scary.
Open it immediately. I'll still get to you. Run, Opila! You won't get far anyway!
Hello, Opila. Ban Ban, Jumbo has gone mad. He locked me up in a cage and made me bring him eggs. Then I ran away and locked myself in my room, and now I'm in the ventilation. Wait, speak slower. You are now in the ventilation because Jumbo Josh ate your eggs and went crazy? Yes, that's how it was. Are your eggs radioactive? I don't know. I wasn't going to eat them, and I didn't want anyone else to eat them either. These are my children. They were. Can you stall for a time? I'll be there in about 30 minutes. I will try. Not sure if I can hold on. You can do it. I'm on my way.
You think I'm evil? I'm just in a position where my life depends on your eggs. Funny as it may sound, they threaten me, and that's why I have to eat your eggs to become stronger.
Who's threatening you?
I don't know anything about them. They just called me and started demanding $1 million.
And you believe them right away? What if they're just common crooks?
It doesn't matter anymore. I become stronger by eating your eggs. Therefore, you must lay more for me.
I don't owe you anything. And in those eggs are my children.
So you're doing this to me? Well, watch out.
Now show me what number you got the call from. Let's go find those who threatened you. We will find and kill your whole family. Do you understand now?
What little rascals! Opila, please forgive me.
It's nothing. You just ate my children.